Okay, hi, my name is Michaela Flick, and I'm doing my Chapter 1 lab on directional terms and other planes and abdominal regions. So the first one is interior, which is in the front of the body, facing towards this way. And then a posterior is towards the back, so it would be behind the person. If you cut them in half, it would be behind. Then we also have superior, which is towards the head. So if you start it down here in the middle, it's moved up. So your head would be superior from your knee. Then you would also have inferior, which is going towards down. So your foot would be inferior to your knee. Also, you have proximal, which is the closer to the origin. So you, as an example, it would be your elbow is proximal to your shoulder. Then you have distal, which is further from the origin. So you can say your knee, which is down here, is distal to your foot. Then we have medial, which is in the midline, which is going down the middle of the body. Also, we have now we're going to lateral, which is furthest from the midline. So you could say that your elbow is further from the midline if you're going here. Then we have superficial, which is closer to the midline, and you could say that your collarbone is superficial to your midline. Then we also have our planes, which is sagittal, which is the view from the side. So if you were to cut a person in half, you would see them from the side and the inside of the side. Then you have frontal, which is when you cut them in front, basically an interior position, and you would see the front of their body. Then you would have transverse, which is just a straight cut through anywhere, and it's going to be cut that way, and you'll see like the bottom of them as a view. Then we go on to the abdominal regions, and you have I'm thinking the right and left. You have your right what did I say? Hypochondriac. You have the right side. Then you're going to go to the epigonchiac, which is in the middle. Then you'll have your left hypochondriac. And in the middle, where the belly button is, which makes perfect sense, is the umbilic region. And then you have your right lumbar, your left lumbar, and then you have your left iliac, your hypogastric, and your right iliac. Then you go on to the actual regions, the four regions and the quadrants. You have the right quadrant, the left quadrant, well, it's the right upper quadrant, the left upper quadrant, the left lower quadrant, and then the right lower quadrant. And that is the end. It's my chapter 1 lab.